EMF equation of DC generator. Pi equal to flux per pole in Webers. So you have to write it. So whatever be the parameters or the values you required, so that write it at first. So Z, you know that total number of armature conductors P, capital P, number of poles capital A, number of parallel paths. It is very important. So for lap winding and the wave winding. So for wave winding A equal to 2, for lap winding A equal to P. N. So what is N? N equal to speed of armature in RPM. E suffix G. So what is E suffix G? That is EMF of the generator, EMF per parallel path. Okay, so if you know these all, okay, so parameters, so then so write it the first step, flux cut by one conductor. If you know one conductor, so you can implement any number of conductors in the armature slots. See here, flux cut by one conductor in one revolution of the armature. What is the formula? D pi equal to P into pi. So P nothing but number of poles, pi is the flux in Webers. See here, time taken to complete one revolution, so that is dt. So equal to 60 by n seconds. How did you get this? See here, number of revolutions per second equal to, so n by 60, you will get it dt equal to, so 60 by n seconds. Is it clear? See here, it is important, EMF generated per conductor. So how the EMF is being generated? So that is d pi by dt. What is meant by d pi by dt? That is the rate of change of flux linkages. The rate of change of flux linkages is called the EMF generated per conductor. So you know that, so d pi. So see here, so what is the d pi? That is P into pi. Is it clear? So that is P into pi. What is the dt? What is the dt? So here 60 by n. So we can substitute here P pi by 60 n. You will get it P pi n by 60 volts. EMF generated per conductor. You can see per conductor you will get it P pi n by 60 volts. See here, EMF of generator. So what is the EMF of generator? That is E suffix G equal to EMF per parallel path. Isn't it? That equal to EMF per conductor into number of conductors in series per parallel path. So how many number of conductors per series path? Okay, that is in a series per parallel path. Here you can, you know that EMF by conductor already we derived, that is P pi n by 60. Here next, number of conductors in series per parallel path. So that is Z by A. So what is the Z? Total number of conductors by A is number of parallel path. A equal to number of parallel path. So what is the equation? E suffix G equal to pi p n Z by 60A. Okay, this is the final you have to put into box, isn't it? So in easiest way, so what will be the formula? E suffix G generated EMF. So which is the easiest way to keep remember? That is, I think so, pi Z n p by 60A. So for pronunciation it will be easy. You can easily speak and you can easily remember pi Z n p by 60, isn't it? So E suffix G equal to pi Z n p by 60A. So where A equal to 2 for wave winding, A equal to P for lap winding. So P means number of poles. Suppose 2 pole machine means A equal to 2, 4 pole machine means A equal to 4, 6 pole machine means A equal to 6 for lap winding. Have you understood? Okay, so E suffix G you have to keep it in mind, that is pi Z n p by 60A. So pi p n Z by 60, it is a little bit confusion, isn't it? So what is the formula? E suffix G equal to generated EMF pi Z n p by 60A.